In this video, I'll be showing you how to enable TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot on Gigabyte motherboards in Windows 11. Start by turning your PC off, then back on. When your PC begins to boot up, press or spam the delete key on your keyboard. If done correctly, you will be loaded into your BIOS. If it doesn't work, then you can retry with the delete key again, or try the F2 button. Now you will need to switch to advanced mode if you aren't already. You can do this by selecting it from the side. If your mouse isn't working, then you can use your keyboard's arrow keys to move around, escape to go back, and enter to select. Go to the Settings tab, then go down and select Miscellaneous. If you don't have the Settings option, then select Peripherals. For an AMD CPU, find the AMD CPU FTPM setting and set it to Enabled. For an Intel CPU, find the Intel Platform Trust Technology setting and set it to Enabled. Next, go to the top and select Boot. Head down and find the CSM support option, then set it to Disabled. Go down and select Secure Boot. Find Secure Boot and set it to Enabled. Go up and select the Save and Exit option. Select Save and Exit Setup, then click Yes and your PC will start. Open the Start menu, then search for System Information and open it. Find the Secure Boot State option and it should say On. If it doesn't, then go back into your BIOS and make sure your settings are all correct. If they are, then switch Secure Boot off, wait a few seconds, then switch it back on. Save and exit, then check your system information again. This worked for me. You now know how to enable TPM 2.0 and Secure Boot on Gigabyte motherboards. Please leave a like if you found the video helpful.